Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can add story on your Facebook from your PC. So it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, I hope you have logged in or signed up or logged in into your account. And after you are logged in into your account, all you have to do in order for you to go ahead and create a story or add a story on your Facebook from PC is just click on this create story button, and then you can simply go ahead and create a text story if you want, or a photo story. I'm going to go ahead and click on create a photo story and click on the photo you want to add as a story. And as you can see, it is right over here. And in order for me to go ahead and put this on my story, all I have to do is click on this share to story and it will be posted on my story, but I'm going to go ahead and discard it. But yeah, that is about it on how you can go ahead and add a story on your Facebook from your PC. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below what video you want me to make next. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.